Cars and trucks. Good luck, farm. Tweet goes the policeman's whistle, up goes his hand. The cattle truck and the pickup truck stop. School bus. Here comes the school bus, the children crowd in. Brown, the children ride off to school. The mother drive to the store to buy food for supper. The groceryman and his helper carry out packages. Gasoline. The gasoline truck brings gas to the service station. Fill her up, says the laundryman in his truck. Telephone company. The telephone line is broken. Out comes the repair truck. Repairmen climb the poles. Soon the line will be fixed. Police department. Here comes a tow truck towing a taxi. See the flat tire. Beep beep, a police car and a jeep whiz by. Coal. The coal truck dumps the coal down the chute. Clang clang, the fire chief's car speeds along. This family is taking a quiet vacation. Their car trailer is like a cozy little house. US Mail. Daisy Flower Shop. Ice cream. Letters. Here comes the mail truck to pick up mail. A man sells ice cream. A delivery motorcycle hurries up. Look at the great big streamlined double-decker bus. The big bus will travel all day and all night. Police. Golden Farms. Chief FT. What a busy street. See all the cars and trucks on their way.